Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about reference in C++ programming. Reference variable is reference to an existing variable, and the reference variable becomes alternate name for an existing variable. Like in example, we have created one integer variable x with the initial value 10, and then we have created one reference variable integer ampersand and then the name of the reference variable, and then we can assign it one existing variable like x. This way the reference variable y will be the alternate name for the existing variable x. That means we can use the alternate name y in our program instead of the existing variable name x. Like in this example program, we have one integer variable x with the initial value 10, and then we have created one reference variable y and assigned it the existing variable x. So we can use the alternate name y for our existing variable x, and if we assign some value using the alternate name, then the changes will reflect on the existing variable. And similarly, if we make some changes using the existing variable, then the changes will be reflect on the alternate variable. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see the changes we made over y has been reflected on x, and also the changes we made over x has been reflected on the y. So this is the way we can create one reference variable in our program which can be used as a alternate name for our existing variable. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.